There are 3 parts to your hearing aid that will require cleaning. To clean the processor, please use a soft cloth. To clean the dome tip, please use the provided brush to remove any earwax. It is recommended that the tips be cleaned every morning before use. To clean the sound tube of any debris, you will first need to remove the sound tube from the processor. To do so, firmly grip the sound tube, twist and pull. Once removed, take the provided green cleaning wire and feed it through the small hole in the nose cone of the sound tube until it is fed through to the tip of the dome. To reinstall your sound tube, line up the hole in the nose cone with the exposed gold tip of the processor and snap into place. Please note, water or any other fluids are not recommended for cleaning your hearing aid.